are talking about service, it's not unilateral, it's not one way of communication. Service, it's related to personal, to social, it's related to political, it's related or could be related to environment. It's about how we service each other and how we help each other. So there are many platforms that interfere in the process of servicing. For artists, it's a bit different because it's not only social work, it's about ideas, it's about the complexity of creating artwork which is not very narrative and explicit. And I think that especially this year, results prove that did understand very well this idea of service and how to apply it in the artwork and their own practice.
We were really a group of people from all around the world. We were gathered around the theme of service, and somehow we ended up serving each other in the best possible way and communicating and collaborating and really exchanged experiences, which I think this residency and art are all about.
I think Tropical Lab, you have kind of the good plan to make people try to understand and get to know each other. And maybe it's because of the variation of the people and how you organize things, how you plan things, that people come together and have the dialogue and create art together and show it together at the end. So I think that's so wonderful to be here.
I believe that all artists are service workers. We take up a role of service in offering new perspectives, telling untold narratives, and most importantly, providing opportunities to be curious. And I thought about the ways in which we offer service to those unseen, people in the past that we still hold close to us in the present.
2025 Tropical Lab experience has been unbelievable. You know, it has been one of the great experiences that I have come to do in a very long time. And here I'm making a piece that really is to be given away to the whole community. From the new starters in the school to the mastery level, I want nothing out of it. All I want is for these objects to become part of somebody else's experience as a service.